Just got the rear cam seal retainer from APD. I bought it on Monday, and literally Friday they ring my bell, and in 4 days they delivered to Argentina from northest to southest country in America. Unbelievable. Okay, I put this for safety. And yes, you see there a big oil stain. That's why I'm installing this. Of course, I'm going to fix the PCB system, but I want to be super safe. If you use your imagination a little bit, you'll be able to see the rear cam seal, and I believe you can also be able to see the threads where you're going to install the bolts that comes to the key with the kit to basically fix the retainer. This is the retainer. Basically, the pointing side goes to the driver's side, and very important, that little thing that goes there, it comes flat, and you need to put some pressure to bend it, and that's where you are going to end up making positive force against the rear cam seal. And of course, what can go wrong? It's just a piece of metal with 2 provided bolts, and you have the threads already in the block. So it should be a piece of cake, but as everything when trying to fix a car, there are no easy solutions. So actually, given the lack of space, you need to really fight in order to be able to install it. And of course, what can go wrong? And the real and only trick for making this an easy job is basically first to attach it from the passenger side. You have a lot of space and access from there, and once you have it attached from that side, basically that automatically aligns the other hole to the other hole in the block. So that's it. And of course, first make a couple of turns by hand, so that you align and you know that the retainer is secure in the back of the block. And after you do so, well, you just basically use your favorite wrench to adjust it, okay? But first do it by hand, and once it's aligned and already a couple of turns in, then life is easy. You just need to complete the job. And a cricket wrench really helps given the tight space. Otherwise, you will drive crazy trying to give enough turns to make this with the right torque. Okay, time to use your imagination again. I'll try to show you the retainer already installed. Basically, I don't know the specific torque for this, just I use it my feeling. And a little piece of advice here is, after driving the car a couple of 100 miles, just try to check if this has somehow loosened a little bit, or if it's still very well adjusted, okay? All right, thank you for watching.